Assalamualaikum students. Hope you learn good, safe and sound. Now, this continue with the chapter number 1. No, sorry, chapter number 4. Emerging Technologies. Okay, this is our chapter. Okay, and we are learning the non-evaluative topic of the chapter. Okay, and we have started with the artificial intelligence. Very interesting topics to you and very advanced technology. Artificial intelligence. So we have started with the soft phase of the artificial intelligence. Soft phase of AI. Okay. And in this we have finished the machine learning and the neural networks. Machine learning and neural networks. Now we will start with the deep learning, the third one. Deep learning. Now what is deep learning? Now deep learning, it utilizes really very big neural networks. That means we can say it is a broader family of machine learning. Okay, so deep learning, what it does, it utilizes really big neural networks. Okay, and lot of computing is involved in it. To find out the complex patterns. Okay, students, for applications such as image and speech processing or recognition. Okay, so here deep learning is what, student? It is a broader term we can say of machine learning. Okay, it has the big neural networks. Okay, and it has lot of computing power to find out the complex patterns in data. Okay, and the example is what here, students? Speech recognition. As we are learning, students, as we are learning what? The AI. So AI, this is the sub fields of the AI. Okay, so that means everything will be related. Okay, and image processing. Okay, and what? Automated driving. Automated driving. Automated driving, this we have already studied. Okay, students, so automated driving is what, student? It is a driverless car. Okay, or the car which is run by the robot. Okay, so that is the deep learning. Getting, students? So here we have to see, okay, what is deep learning. Deep learning, we'll just see the deep learning. learning in AI. Look, deep learning students. Just see. We'll just see the image. With the help of pictures, students, you can understand things easily. Okay, that's why I'm showing you the pictures of each and every term. Okay, machine learning, look here, and deep learning. Okay, input, feature extraction, classification, car, not car output. Okay, then here again input, feature extraction and classification, they both are together. Okay, and here we can say no human intervention has been included. Okay, and the output is either it's a car or no car. Okay, students, so this is the deep learning. Okay, we'll just see. We'll just see. Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function that mimics the working of the human brain in processing data for use in detecting objects, recognizing speech, translating languages, and making decisions. Okay, so deep learning is able to learn without human supervision. Okay, just now we had seen the example, students, that there is no, look this one, there is no human supervision. Okay, so drawing from data that is both unstructured and unlabeled. Okay, so just imagine, means so much complex data, and it is identified, and we can see it's made meaningful with the help of deep learning. That means you don't have to worry now that whether the neural networks means all the connections are there or not. Means from a very deep complex thing it can derive the output. Okay, that is the deep learning. Okay, look here, deep learning is a part of broader family of machine learning method based on artificial neural networks with representation learning. Okay, students, so here it is, means machine learning, neural networks, these subfields are also related with the deep learning of artificial intelligence, so that we can have the output. Okay, so this is your deep learning, student. That means though the data is complex, okay, very complex, unstructured, unlabeled, doesn't matter, deep learning will find out the solution. Okay, this is the deep learning. Okay, now next one is your cognitive computing. Fourth is your cognitive computing. Cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is like the substitution of human personality, students. Means you are substituting human with the cognitive computing. Okay, so cognitive computing is about creating a natural human-like interaction. Okay, including using the ability to interpret speech and respond to it. Okay, so it acts as a substitution of how a brain works. Okay, how the human, it means it imitates the human personality. Okay, so it acts as a substitution of how brain works. Okay, that's why your cognitive term is already, you have understood that it is related to brain. Okay, so it's about the creating a natural human-like interaction. Okay, including using the ability to interpret speech and respond to it. Okay, ability to interpret interpret speech and respond to it. Okay, this is the cognitive computing. It acts as a substitution how brain works. Substitution how brain works. Okay, this is your cognitive computing. Okay, and it imitates human personality. So, human personality. Okay, students, this is the cognitive computing. Okay, we'll just see this also, cognitive computing. It is, if we'll see with the images, we can understand it in a very good way, inshallah. Look here, cognitive computing. Images will just. Cognitive computing is the use of computerized models to simulate the human thought process in complex situations where the answers may be ambiguous and uncertain. Ambiguous and uncertain means which is not sure, means either yes or no. Might be true or false. You're not certain, means you cannot say very confidently, okay, that this is the actual output or the result. It is uncertain, ambiguous, means not very much clear. Okay, so the phrase is closely associated with IBM's cognitive computer system. Okay, Watson, means there might be the computer system of IBM's named Watson. Okay, they are having this phrase. Okay, so we'll just see the images. Cognitive system, we'll just see here the difference in this, so we can understand it. Look here, cognitive computing versus artificial intelligence overlap. Now in cognitive computing, what is there, students? It has the ability of computers to simulate and complement humans' cognitive abilities of making decision. That means it can take the decision making ability it's having. Okay, whereas it is not intended, in artificial intelligence, it is not intended to mimic human thoughts and processes, but to solve a problem through the use of the best possible algorithm. Okay, it is, means artificial intelligence here, it is used to solve the problem with the best possible algorithm. Algorithm is the student, the pre-programmed, okay, pre-programmed programs which is feeded, okay, so that we can solve the problems. Okay, so use of overlapping is what here, use of same principles including neural network, machine learning, contextual awareness, etc. Next point is here, it is not responsible for making decision for human, whereas artificial intelligence is responsible for making decisions at their own, thus minimizing the role of humans. That means there is no interaction of the humans in artificial intelligence because it is responsible for making decisions at their own. Okay, so there is less human interaction, and here it is not at all making the decision for humans. Okay, students, so here overlapping is what it is, has the ability to solve the problems deemed too complex for the average human brains and are responsible for increased and seamless productivity. Okay, so this is the cognitive computing, students. Cognitive means related to brains. Look here. Just see. Based on the scientific disciplines of artificial intelligence and signal processing, platform uses machine learning, reasoning, natural language processing, speech recognition, vision, human-computer interaction, dialogue and narrative generation, among other technologies. Then cognitive computing improves human decision-making, more accurate models of how the human brain senses, reasons, and responds to stimulus. cognitive computing applications adjust content to a particular type of audience. Means it gives the content according to the audience also, students. Okay, that's why it imitates the human personality. Cognitive computing applications are more effective and more influential by design. Okay, students, so just these are the few images of cognitive computing. Look, input, learning, and the output. Just see. Okay, look, traditional and cognitive, the difference. What should be my stock level at store? And here your stock level for stores should be 375 units. Okay, means already the decision, means here the brain has given the answer. Here it is asking, and here along with the output. Okay, and this is the, it acts as the human personality, students. Okay, so these are the two more subtypes or subfields of the artificial intelligence. So hope you've understood this also, students. The remaining two we'll just see in the next lecture, inshallah. So just try to finish all the topics, okay, with dedication and focus. Okay, students. So inshallah we'll just see things in the next lecture, the remaining two topics. Okay, just see this. Okay, so until then, goodbye, assalamu alaikum.